Honourable member for Mount Pearl South.
Mr. Speaker, yesterday the Minister of Service and L said that government only uses Public Tendering Act exemptions in emergency situations. Of course, nothing could be further from the truth, as this government has increased the total value of tender exemptions to over $100 million a year. I ask the Minister, if you only use tender exemptions in emergencies, why for 2 consecutive years did the Auditor General say they were used inappropriately?
Yes. The Honourable Minister of Service NL.
Mr. Speaker, even the Auditor General says that the exemptions are rarely used. Less than 2% of tenders put out there, Mr. Speaker, are untendered, and they're done for certain circumstances, Mr. Speaker. They're done for sole source provider, Mr. Speaker. They're also done for emergency services as well, Mr. Speaker. When emergencies are happening in our community and we need to go out there and get something done and get something fixed right away, we go there and we go get that, Mr. Speaker. It's a rare occurrence.
Honourable member for Mount Pearl South.
Mr. Speaker, as I said, that's $100 million of rare occurrences. Mr. Speaker, as an example, the Minister's emergency situation exemption was used to justify over $33,000 in spending for the last royal visit, an event that was planned many months in advance. The AG also provided other examples, like $24,000 to book 2 hotel suites for meetings and $38,000 for laundry equipment. I ask the Minister, why are you hiding behind the emergency situation exemption for non-emergencies? Doesn't that go against the spirit of the Public Tendering Act?
Honourable Minister of Service NL.
Mr. Speaker, I would suggest that we would be using that provision for these types of contracts, Mr. Speaker. I certainly will look into that and see how these contracts unfolded. But, Mr. Speaker, there's reasons out there for when we need to spend money, we need to do it in an efficient, effective way.